Hi, I'm Steve Wiley. I'm here at Interop this week, and I'm joined by Rob Soderbery, who is Senior Vice President and General Manager of Enterprise Networking at Cisco. Rob, thanks for being here.
Thanks, Steve. Apologize for being a little out of breath. As you know, I just got off the basketball court.
Yeah, that was a fantastic demo there on the keynote stage. So you're just wrapping up your keynote here, and it seems like the major part of your keynote really addressed the Internet of Everything. And I was wondering if you could take a few minutes just to describe what is the Internet of Everything.
Well, something's really interesting is happening as the network is now able to connect people, things, data, business process, the cloud. Bringing these together is creating a new kind of application. And these new applications, we say, are enabled by the Internet of Everything. And their applications are out there in the real world. We shared an example of the Bellagio using our technology to push an application out to their guests on their mobile device to help them navigate the resort. So this isn't your father's IT application. Right. This is a new kind of application enabled by the Internet of Everything.
And I would imagine, just with the demo that you did on the keynote stage and the Bellagio example, the wireless infrastructure must become increasingly important in enabling this. Can you talk a little bit about how that fits in?
Well, absolutely. So traditionally, people have thought of wireless as that's how I get my PC connected to the network. But increasingly, we're seeing wireless used in all these new kinds of applications. The connected mobile experience, you could think of, is our name for BYOD for the customer. So if your customer is coming into your retail store or retail setting, you want to connect with them and their device, just like you might with an employee in BYOD. That's what we call the connected mobile experience. So this is driving the deployment of wireless in retail settings, in education, in healthcare, in a whole realm of new verticals.
You spoke a little bit about Cisco One. Maybe you could describe how that fits in as well.
Well, Cisco One is our SDN-centric architecture. And with Cisco One, what we're able to do is we're able to blend the best of today's networking platforms and networking architectures. Your network can run as it runs today. You don't have to rip and replace it and go to a radically new architecture. But at the same time, we can deliver the benefits of software-defined networking through centralized control via the Cisco One controller and a set of network-aware applications that sit on top of that controller.
So we're here at Interop this week, and the big theme this week is building IT innovation. So I wonder if you could just take a minute to describe, what does all of this mean, Internet of Everything? What does it mean for the IT audience that's here attending this week?
Well, there's a real opportunity for IT here to get more engaged in the business. We're seeing a transformation in networking technology and a driving transformation in IT, driving that transformation in the business. The business needs that technical know-how in order to create these new applications. You're now talking to marketers, merchandisers, factory, plant managers, facility operators, a whole new type of application user. And there's a huge role of IT to step up and to serve these new markets and new applications.
Sounds like a great opportunity for IT moving forward.
Absolutely.
Well, thanks so much for being here, Rob.
All right, Steve.